Hello, in this video we're going to do lesson 11 to 12. To have a start, we're going to start with watching the video called The Big Event. We won't watch it right now in the video, but I hope you'll watch it when you're doing. Then you'll also need to watch this one because it shows what you're going to do in this. You can just do whatever you want with these blocks, and then you'll understand a lot of things to help you with this. If you have done the others, you will have all these things. So now you can just do this. Make this game fun by adding more things. Set the knight to vanish when he runs into the dragon. Play a sound when they collide to make it more real. And visit all of the goals, then run into the dragon to pass the level. You are wondering how I'll vanish him, aren't you? Well, here. That's how we'll vanish him, and this is how we are going to make the sound. But for now, I'll put random. And a better idea, we can also set the knight speed super, the dragon speed super fast to make it a bit hard. Or if you want just for fun, you can do that at the very... Look, you can't even know when you're near. That makes it fun. What can we do to make it more fun? We can make the background new, suppose this one. And yes, we'll still keep both super fast speed. Fast as a leopard. You can see which one is fastest. Like this. Is this faster for you? If so, you can do it. And also set the knight speed if you want to. And even when they collide, you can add this. Score 1. And then you can get them. Woohoo! If you want to collide many times, you can just end. Yay! If you still want fun, you can keep playing. And after that, you can press finish. Once you're done, something like this will come. You can write your name. My name is Avni. You can also make a capital in the style. Summit. So look, this certificate. You can also print it with an adult's help. Bye.